everybody, let me go back to book 4 and look at some of Professor Clark's fun facts that he's posted. Let me turn the camera. Here you go. Professor Clark's fun facts. You'll notice in red is the question. What other animals have a symbiotic relationship? Describe their relationship. Ray the remora is a remora fish. Remora fish are sometimes called sucker fish. This is because their dorsal fin is an oval sucker that can help them attach to the other marine animals. The marine animal to which the remora attaches is called the host animal. The remora and its host animal have a symbiotic relationship. This means both animals benefit from each other. That's like Ray and Professor Clark. In the case of Professor Clark, the science shark, and Ray the remora, Professor Clark provides protection and food for Ray. Ray eats dead skin and parasites on Professor Clark to keep him clean and healthy. The next question is on the next page. What is the main threat to the endangered hawkbill turtles and why? Hawkbill turtles. Hawkbills are named for their narrow pointed beak. They also have a distinctive pattern of overlapping scales of their shells that form a serrated look on the edge. These colored patterned shells are tightly valuable and are commonly sold as a tortoise shell. In markets, hawkbills are found throughout the world, tropical oceans, predominantly in coral coastal reefs. They feed mainly on sponges by using their narrow pointed beaks to extract them from crevices on the reef, but also eat sea anemones and jellyfish. Sea turtles are the living representatives of a group of reptiles that have existed on Earth and traveled our seas for the last 150 million years. They are fundamentally linked in the marine ecosystem and help maintain the health of coral reefs and seagrass beds. Next question. What is the name of the largest coral reef in the world? Where is it? Coral reef. There are 3 major types of coral reef around the world. These include fringe reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls reefs. Fringe reefs grow near the shore. Barrier reefs grow further away from the shore and have a lagoon between the reef and the shore. Atolls grow around the rim of an extinct volcano. The Florida Reef Tract runs from the Florida Keys to the St. Louis Inlets. Florida's coral reefs are most similar to barrier reefs, but do not have the lagoons. Florida also has patch reefs, which are very small and grow between the reef tract and the shore in the shallow waters. Hope Reef is a patch reef. Last question for today. What is one of the biggest dangers to hatchlings? Loggerhead Marine Life Center. So here's a picture of a loggerhead. Nestled along the Florida Atlantic coast in Juno Beach, Florida, Loggerhead Marine Life Center has protected Florida's coastal ecosystems and provided ocean conservation education to children, family, and visitors for over 30 years. The nonprofit facility offers free admission and educates 300,000 visitors annually on their continued mission to promote conservation of the Florida's coastal ecosystem with a special focus on threatening and endangered sea turtles. The center is adjacent to one of the densely nestled loggerhead sea turtle beaches in the world, providing staff biologists with 9.5 million miles of beach to monitor and further research. The precious endangered sea turtles nesting season runs from March 1st to October 31st on Florida's Atlantic coast. 3 species of sea turtles nest on the local beaches: loggerheads, leatherbacks, and green sea turtles. For more information, visit www.marinelife.org and stay connected with them via Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks. Have a great day.